What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in today's video we'll be talking about the upcoming Realme smartwatch, which is the third generation, the Watch 3 Pro. So if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. Now the very first thing which we know is that the Realme Watch 3 is indeed being launched in India, and now the Chinese electronics brand has all set to launch its new wearable in the country, and it's the Realme Watch 3 Pro. Now the exact date of this smartphone is yet to be announced, but what we know is that the Realme has revealed its dedicated landing page on its website, and the Watch 3 Pro will be coming with the major upgrade over the Super AMOLED display, and it will be a successor to the Realme Watch 2 Pro, which was indeed a very good smartwatch under 5,000 rupees. Now apart from that, Realme has also teased some specifications of the Realme Watch 3 Pro. However, the exact launch date might be near to the August 18, where the Realme will be launching its Realme 99 5G smartphone. Now the watch will be a rectangular smartwatch with a black dial, and it will be having a side mounted button for navigation, and it would also support the Bluetooth calling in this smartwatch too. Now what is also important that you can directly make calls from your smartwatch and receive the calls and even attend the calls from the smartwatch, and which is again a very handy feature if you are buying a smartwatch for calling purposes. Now the price is expected to be of this smartwatch to be remain under 5,000 rupees, 4,999 to be exact and precise, and we are still waiting for the smartwatch to be getting confirmed. But what you can expect from this smartwatch apart from that is this 1.7 inch of an AMOLED display, an IP68 of water and dust resistance, and it will indeed support heart rate monitoring, SpO2 monitoring, and it will offer over 100 watch faces for customization. Apart from that, the battery capacity of this smartwatch will be for a week or 2 weeks or 10 to 14 days of this Realme Watch 3 Pro. And overall, what do you think about this smartwatch? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.